Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF documents on your iPhone quickly and easily. First, locate the PDF document you need to sign on your device. You might find it within your Mail app, the Files app, or even attached in a messaging conversation. Tap on the document to open it in a preview window, allowing you to clearly see its contents. This initial step sets the stage for an effortless signing process, ensuring your important documents are always ready when you need them. After opening your PDF, locate the markup icon, which typically resembles a pen tip, usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will bring up a helpful toolbar filled with different annotation options for you to use. Within this newly displayed toolbar, direct your attention to the plus sign icon, which is generally positioned towards the bottom right. This plus sign is your gateway to adding various elements, including your signature, to the document. From the options presented after tapping the plus sign, choose Signature. At this point, you have two choices. You can either draw a completely new signature directly on your screen using your finger, or if you have previously saved signatures, you may select one of those. Once your signature is either freshly created or selected, you can easily drag it into the perfect spot on your document and adjust its size as needed. This ensures it looks just right, exactly where it belongs. Once your signature is perfectly placed and everything looks correct, simply tap the Done button, typically located in the upper left corner of your screen, to finalize and save your changes. The newly signed PDF will then automatically save itself back to its original location, or it will provide you with options to share it immediately. From here, you can effortlessly email, message, or save your completed document to a variety of cloud storage services, making sharing a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.